Welcome to this room tour. So right when you walk in, we have a table and a mirror and a phone and the lamp and the king size bed. And as a reminder, at Sandals Resorts, all of the rooms have king size beds. And as we flip around here, we have a beautiful view of the outside. I'll take you out there in a second. Just a little peek here, but here is the door. So in this room, the door is on the patio, but the patio is on the front, if that makes sense. So there's the stairs going down. We are in room 3211, as I mentioned, and there is the beach. And we have a dresser of drawers here, the television. As we come over here, we have the mini bar with the coffee maker. And then in here, this is fully stocked. So we have wine, soda, fruit juice, water, red stripe. And then as we flip over here, we have USBs, another lamp, and then a nightstand with more drawers. And then here is the closet. So we have an iron, we have extra pillows, we have a robe, and we have slippers. And if you've watched my room tours before, you know I love me a robe and slippers. And then on this side, there's my bag, we have the safe. And then as we come in here, so there's no door to the bathroom. We have a full-length mirror here. And as we come in here, we have a nice soaker tub with a nice shower. And then towels. And then a room with a toilet with a door. And then our dual vanity, but it's like a trough sink and a nice big mirror. So that is our room tour. If you're dreaming of this level of luxury for your next romantic getaway, honeymoon, or special celebration, I can help make it happen. Contact me directly to book your stay at any Sandals resort, and I'll work to find you the perfect accommodations and ensure every detail of your trip is taken care of. For more information about this incredible property and other outstanding accommodations across all Sandals resorts, check out the link in the description box below. And here's an insider tip. Want exclusive deals on these incredible accommodations? Join my weekly email list to take advantage of resort discounts and promotions across all Sandals resorts. I share the best offers every week, so you never miss out on savings for your dream vacation. Thank you for joining me on this tour. Trust me, a Sandals resort is bucket list travel at its finest. Like this video if you're adding a Sandals vacation to your travel wish list. Subscribe for more luxury resort tours, and I'll see you in the next one.